Today, I really wanted to share something very special with all of you, a genuine world premiere, the all-new BMW X2 and its fully electric variant, the first ever BMW iX2, right here next to me. The X2 underlines our technology-open approach. This means customers get to choose between our efficient dynamics engines as well as a performance model and the all-electric iX2. Just take a look for yourself, a super authentic sports activity vehicle. With its sporty, progressive and self-assured design, it is a real eye-catcher. And it clearly stands out from the smaller X1. We are sure our customers will also love the interior, especially the modern cockpit, featuring the BMW xDrive with quick select and the BMW curved display. And for me, the X2 is also a digital champion. With the new BMW Operating System 9, we are launching the perfect platform for a comprehensive range of digital features and services into the premium compact class, such as streaming even over the air. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new X2 and the first ever iX2, both are setting new benchmarks. And both models will hit the road in spring 2024, also here in Japan.